In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Android phone speakers sound too low. If your calls, music, or alerts are barely audible, don't worry, these quick checks often bring the volume right back. We will start by clearing anything that might be blocking sound. Gently clean the speaker holes with a soft fey-bristled brush, working across the mesh to lift out dust or lint. Keep the phone upright so debris falls away, and avoid sharp tools or liquids that can puncture the mesh or push dirt inside. A minute of careful brushing can make a surprisingly big difference. Next, confirm your volume settings. Open Settings, tap Sound and Vibration, and slide Media. Ring and alarm all the way up. Media controls music, videos, and games. Ring and alarm are separate, so make sure each one is high. Some apps remember their own volume, so once you've raised these sliders, reopen the app you use most and check that its sounds respond. If you use a case or a protector, remove them for a moment. Thick or misaligned accessories can cover speaker ports or reflect sound away from you. Set them aside while you test. If the sound improves, consider trimming the cutout or switching to a design with wider openings. Now rule out wireless redirection. Turn off Bluetooth to make sure audio isn't being sent to headphones, earbuds, a car, or a nearby speaker. Even a paired device in its charging case can silently take over audio until Bluetooth is disabled. Between steps, play a short clip at a known high volume so you can gauge improvements as you go. Give the phone a fresh start. Restarting clears temporary glitches that can affect the audio driver. After it powers back up, go to Settings and look for System Update or Software Update. Then install any available updates. These often include performance and audio stability fixes. Finally, check the audio balance. Open Settings, go to Additional Settings, then Accessibility. And under Hearing, make sure the left Fey-right balance slider sits exactly in the center. If it's nudged to one side, sounds can seem quieter or uneven through the bottom speaker. Work through these steps in order and you should notice stronger, clearer output from your Android speaker. If volume is still abnormally low afterward, the issue may be physical, like moisture behind the mesh or a worn speaker module, and a professional inspection could be the next move. Thanks for watching.